Hello all, welcome to my channel. Once again, I'm here with another personality tip that will help you grow successful, right? So, let's get started. So today I'll narrate you a story that has many values within it, right? And you have to listen to it very carefully. So the story starts as there was a vegetable vendor and he had a whiteboard, a perfect, beautiful whiteboard. And he has written a very beautiful lines in that particular whiteboard. He has written fresh vegetables sold here. He had written that line just in order to advertise that product more. So he had kept that whiteboard just beside his shop and stall, whatever you may call it, and he was doing his business. By the time there, an old man, appeared, and he said, "Just by looking at your vegetables, these are really nice, and we can easily say that these are fresh. There is no need to write it as fresh vegetables sold here. So erase that word fresh." The vegetable seller agreed to him, and he did exactly as the old man said. He erased the word now. Now, what was there on the whiteboard? It was written vegetables sold here. Okay, now another lady came to that particular stall and she said that I know that you are selling vegetables, you're not selling fruits. There is no need to write vegetables here, right? So erase that word vegetable from that particular board, and the the vegetable seller complied to it, and just he erased the word from that particular whiteboard. Now what were left over that board? There were only two words, that is sold here. Now another man came to that particular stall and he said that if you are standing in this market, this is but obvious that you are selling anything, you are not giving anything for free, so there is no need to mention the word sold here. Erase that word. The vegetable seller had no other option. He simply agreed to that particular point, and then he deleted the word, erased the word from that particular whiteboard. Now there was only one word left in that board. It was here. Now a small school going child passed on to that particular vegetable seller, and he said, and he in fact teased the vegetable seller, and he said, "Come on, everybody in this world is knowing that you are here, you are not there. So there is no need to advertise that you are here. Simply erase that word out." And the vegetable seller agreed, and he erased the word out, leaving the entire whiteboard perfect, clean and empty. Now another man appeared to that particular stall and he said that only a stupid man can leave such a nice whiteboard empty. You have so much nice space to write. You can write something to advertise your vegetables. You can do so many things, but you are leaving it empty. This is not acceptable. Come on. Now the story ends. Now my question is, what is the moral of the story? Anyone of you guess? If yes, then yes, you may comment down that what is the moral. Now, moral is everybody around us has an opinion to make. Everybody around us has a suggestion to offer, and most often with the best intention to offer. Maybe the friend person who is giving a suggestion is not with the bad intention, he's good. Now the point being is, but if we end up listening to what everybody has to say, we may forget what we are inspired to do, meant to do exactly. So the point being is, don't just keep on listening to everybody's suggestion. Don't just keep on listening what everybody says. Focus that what you have to do, and the most important thing is try to act smart and don't lose your voice. You listen to every suggestion, you listen to all the other offers that are coming, but you need to know the art of navigating through that suggestion that is beneficial for you. So I hope that you have learned that what is beneficial for you to learn, what you have to accept and what you have to ignore. With this is all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, because that's motivates me a lot. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit that bell icon, so that every time I upload such kind of English or personality content, it reaches to you the first. And yes, Do share the video and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.